Today I will be showing you how to make an MLA format paper and create a template for your MLA format paper using Google Drive. First, you need to click on the New button and click on Google Docs. The second thing we need to do is set the font size and color. The font used for MLA format is Times New Roman. The font size used is a 12-point font. An additional step is to change the spacing from 1.15 to double spacing. These are the requirements used for MLA format. The next thing you need to do is insert your name at the top of the paper. Just below this, you need to put the teacher's name or the instructor for the course. As an example, I'll just put instructor name. The next line should include the name of the course. We can put something like educational technology. The final thing that will go in this upper section of the paper is the date. Today's date is the 2nd of March, so we will put that. For the day, you just put the number. For the month, type out the month in full, and then add the year finally. Now, something else that all MLA papers have is a title. The title for MLA papers should be center aligned. And we can just put something like placeholder title, just so that we remember to put one when we go into the paper. Another thing that MLA papers have is a page number. To do this, click on Insert, come down here to Page Numbers, click on this top left option that has the 1 and the 2 in the top right section of the paper there. And Google Docs will automatically put this to Arial. We need to change this again to Times New Roman, 12-point font. On the left of the number, place your last name. One final step for an MLA paper is the Works Cited page. To do this, we're going to go down to the second page, right there. As we can see, the page number automatically selected number 2 at the top left. So we're going to maintain the center line and type in Works Cited. Okay. Another thing that we can do is come back to where we would begin to type our body text and go back to a left align, just so that it's ready for us when we start typing. We can title this something like MLA template. Now, to set this template in your Google Drive, go back to your Google Drive, select New, and then hover over the small arrow just to the right of Google Docs and select From a Template. Next, click on the blue Submit Template button. This will prompt you to select the document. As we can see, all of your Google Docs should be automatically pulled up on this page. So right here, there's the MLA template that we made earlier. Select this, select Open, category. You can put this under really whatever. I think we'll put it under Basics, because this is a basic template that you would use for any MLA formatted paper. Then we can go ahead and click on Submit, and the template has been added. Okay, our template should now show up under the Basics category of templates. If we scroll down, this is automatically listed in alphabetical order. So we are at MLA template. Here we go. Select this, and there we go. Your MLA template is complete. You can do this with any form of paper. If you would like to make an APA template or any other format that you find yourself using regularly, this is a good tool to use. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned how to make an MLA template using Google Drive.